Okay, I am going now.
Hey, wait, just 1 minute.
What happened? You look excited.
Because I have something for you.
For me? Really?
Yes, close your eyes.
Okay. Closed.
No peeking.
I am not peeking. Can I open them now?
Not yet. Hold out your hands.
Like this?
Yes, here you go.
It feels light. Is it a box?
Open your eyes.
Wow. A small box wrapped in pink paper. What is it?
That is a secret.
A secret gift? For me?
Yes, but you cannot open it now.
Why not?
Because it is a surprise. You have to wait
Wait for how long?
until tomorrow.
Tomorrow? That is too long.
No, it is not. Just 1 day.
Can I at least shake it?
No shaking. You will break it.
Break it? So it is something delicate?
Maybe. I'm not telling you anything.
You are very mean.
I'm not mean. I'm keeping the mystery.
Okay, give me a small hint.
A hint?
Yes, just one small hint, please.
Okay. It's something you can use every day.
Every day? Like a pen.
No, not a pen.
Like a phone case.
No. Stop guessing. You'll see tomorrow.
This is torture.
You are so dramatic.
I am not dramatic, I am curious. There is a difference.
Sure, keep telling yourself that.
Can I at least hold it for a few more seconds?
Fine, but do not try to open it.
I promise I will not open it.
Good, because I will know if you open it.
How will you know?
I have my ways.
You're scary sometimes.
Thank you, I try.
So, what is the occasion?
Occasion?
Yes, why did you get me a gift?
Do I need a reason?
No, but people usually have a reason. Birthday, holiday, something.
Today is just Tuesday.
So it's a random Tuesday gift?
Yes. Is that a problem?
No, no problem. It's very nice. I just feel bad because I didn't get you anything.
You don't have to get me anything.
But now I feel guilty.
Don't feel guilty, just be happy.
I am happy, but also confused.
Why confused?
Because no one gives me random gifts.
Well, now someone does.
Who are you?
Your friend, that's all you need to know.
Okay, friend. Thank you very much.
You are very welcome.
I will put this on my desk so I don't lose it.
Good idea. And don't forget, tomorrow morning you can open it.
I will set an alarm.
An alarm for opening a gift?
Yes, 7 a.m. sharp.
You are crazy.
Crazy curious.
Fine, 7 a.m., but not 1 minute earlier.
Deal. Now I really have to go.
Okay, go.
Wait, before I go, is it food?
No, it is not food.
Is it money?
No, stop asking. Go.
Okay, I'm going.
Bye.
Bye, and thank you again.
You already said thank you.
I know, but I mean it.
I know you mean it. Now go before you are late.
Okay, tomorrow morning, 7 a.m.
Yes, 7 a.m.
I will call you when I open it.
You better.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey,
What now?
I just wanted to say you're a good friend.
Thank you. You too. Now really, go.
Going? Going.
Finally.
Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow. Goodbye.
Later that evening, on the phone. Hello?
Hello? Why are you calling?
I can't sleep.
It is only 10 p.m.
I know, but I keep thinking about the gift.
Oh no, you are obsessed.
I am not obsessed, I'm just excited.
Same thing.
Can you give me one more hint? Just a tiny one.
No. Go to sleep.
Please?
No.
Pretty please.
No means no.
You are so strict.
Someone has to be.
Fine, I will try to sleep.
Good night.
Good night. Sweet dreams?
You too.
I will dream about the gift.
Then dream about something nice.
The gift is nice.
You do not even know what it is.
That's what makes it exciting.
Okay, dream about the mystery.
I will. Good night for real.
Good night.
Hello? Hello? Wake up.
It's 7 a.m.
You said 7 a.m. I'm on time.
I was sleeping.
Too bad. Open your eyes. I'm opening the gift.
Okay, I'm awake. Go ahead.
The box is still on my desk. I'm picking it up now.
Okay.
The pink paper is very pretty.
Thank you. I wrapped it myself.
You did?
Yes, I'm not very good at it.
It looks perfect.
Stop stalling. Open it.
Okay, I'm removing the ribbon.
Slowly.
The ribbon is off. Now I'm peeling the paper.
Do not tear it.
I'm being careful.
Good.
Okay, the paper is off. There's a white box inside.
Open the box.
I'm opening it now.
What is it?
Oh, wow.
What? Tell me.
It's a keychain.
Yes?
A keychain with a small photo frame.
Do you like it?
There's a photo inside. Is that us?
Yes. Remember that day at the coffee shop?
Yes, we took a selfie.
I printed it and put it in the keychain.
This is beautiful.
So you like it?
I love it. I will put it on my keys right now.
I'm so happy.
Why did you choose a keychain?
Because you always lose your keys. Now you won't lose them.
That's smart and very thoughtful.
Thank you.
I'm going to keep this forever.
Forever is a long time.
I don't care. This is special.
You are special. That's why I made it for you.
Now I feel even more guilty for not getting you anything.
I told you, you don't have to.
But I want to. What do you want?
I don't want anything.
There must be something.
Okay, buy me coffee today.
That's it? Coffee?
Yes, coffee from our favorite shop.
Done. I will buy you the biggest coffee they have. With extra cream?
With extra everything.
Then we're even.
No, we're not even. You gave me a memory. I'm just giving you coffee.
The coffee will be a memory too.
You always know what to say.
That's why we're friends.
Thank you again, really.
You're welcome. Now go get ready. We have class in an hour.
I'm already ready.
You're lying. You're still in bed.
How do you know?
Because your voice sounds sleepy.
Fine, I'll get up now.
Good. See you in an hour.
See you. And thank you for the best random Tuesday gift ever.
You're welcome. Now go.
Going. Bye.
Bye.
Hey,
Hey, you look happy.
I am happy. Look.
You put the keychain on your keys already.
Yes, I show it to everyone today.
Everyone?
Everyone I met today. The bus driver, the teacher, the canteen lady.
Oh my God, you're embarrassing.
I'm proud. This is my favorite thing.
It's just a keychain.
No, it's a friendship keychain.
That sounds like a children's cartoon.
I don't care. I love it.
Okay, I'm glad.
Here's your coffee, large with extra cream.
Thank you.
So, are you going to give me a gift every Tuesday?
Don't push your luck.
Just asking.
This was a one-time thing.
Until next time,
Maybe. We'll see.
I'll take that as a yes.
Take it however you want.
You're the best friend anyone could ask for.
Stop being so sweet. You'll make me cry.
Then cry. Happy tears are good.
I'm not crying in public.
Fine, cry later.
Deal.
To friendship.
To friendship and secret gifts.
And coffee.
And coffee. Cheers.
Cheers.